Today, I'd like to introduce some animals that live in Japan and can be seen in the wild. The first one is the Shima inega. Shima inega is a familiar bird in Hokkaido, but there are no zoos that breed or exhibit them. They can sometimes be observed in nature-rich parks and forests. The best season to see them is winter, as they change into fluffy plumage for warmth, and the bare trees provide better visibility, increasing your chances of encountering a Shima inega just like in pictures. They are known for their distinctive juru-juru chirping, so try listening in the quiet, snow-covered forests. Called white fairies, they usually move in flocks of about 10, and when they perch side by side, they are referred to as Shima inega dango. The second one is the snow monkey, a monkey that enjoys soaking in hot springs. Snow monkeys are a type of Japanese macaque that live in specific regions of Japan. At the Jigokudani Monkey Park, you can see these snow monkeys. In winter, the hot spring naturally bubbles up with warm water, and you can see the monkeys soaking in the hot springs. It is said that the first monkey to enter the hot spring was a curious young monkey. The adult monkeys imitated this behavior, leading the monkeys of Jigokudani to regularly bathe in the hot springs. Sometimes, mother monkeys and their babies enter the hot spring together. The baby monkeys tend to get overheated quickly and try to climb out of the hot spring, while the mother monkeys seem to want to enjoy the bath a little longer. There are even photos of monkeys picking up iPhones dropped by tourists and looking at them while soaking in the hot springs. The third is about tanuki, introducing wild tanuki and Shigaraki ware tanuki. Habitat widely distributed throughout Japan, but rare in urban areas, and often found in mountainous and forested areas. Characteristics: medium-sized mammals, nocturnal. They have small ears and a round body. Their fur is grayish-brown, with distinctive black mask-like markings. Diet: omnivorous, eating small animals, insects, fruits, and even human leftovers. Cute points: their round body and charming face are popular, especially baby tanuki are irresistibly fluffy and cute. Behavior: they have territories and engage in marking behavior. They communicate with their companions through growls and calls. Shigaraki ware tanuki. History and origin: Shigaraki ware is a type of pottery made in Shigaraki Town, Shiga Prefecture, particularly famous for its tanuki figurines. It is a traditional craft that dates back to the Edo period. Characteristics: Shigaraki ware tanuki are characterized by their charming expressions and round bodies, holding a large sake bottle and a ledger in their bellies. Symbolic meaning: believed to bring prosperity and good luck. They are often displayed at store entrances. Especially, the ledger in their bellies symbolizes good fortune and money. Production: being handmade, each one has a slightly different personality. Their rustic and warm design is appealing. Tanuki and kitsune: tanuki and foxes are well known in Japanese folklore and old stories as animals that can transform. Let me explain how they transform and their characteristics. Special skills: tanuki are believed to have the ability to transform into humans and objects. For example, they are said to transform into monks, old women, and even shops and houses. Methods: tanuki are particularly adept at startling people with the sound of their belly drumming and showing illusions. This belly drumming, performed rhythmically at night, is also part of traditional music. Pranks: tanuki are often portrayed as mischievous but harmless tricksters, leading people astray or holding fake banquets, bringing joy to people with their stories. How foxes transform. Special skills: foxes, like tanuki, are believed to have the ability to transform into humans and objects. However, their transformations are considered more refined. They often transform into beautiful women, merchants, and even Shinto priests. Methods: foxes are particularly skilled at using mist and light to confuse and enchant people. Their transformations are often mysterious and elegant. Pranks and lessons: foxes sometimes play the role of helping people or teaching them lessons. Stories often depict foxes rewarding good people and punishing those who do wrong. Let me tell you about the Ezo red fox. Habitat: the Ezo red fox. Hokkaido fox primarily inhabits the entire Hokkaido region. You can find them in forests, rural areas, and even urban areas. They are omnivorous, so they adapt to a wide range of environments. Echinococcus is a parasitic tapeworm that inhabits the fox's body, particularly the small tapeworms of the Echinococcus genus. This parasite is excreted through the fox's feces and can infect other animals and humans. When humans get infected, cysts form in the liver and lungs, causing a disease called echinococcus. In Hokkaido, there are active awareness campaigns to prevent this infection. No matter how cute they are, never touch them. Echinococcus infection can be fatal. Japanese sparrows. Characteristics: the most commonly seen sparrow in Japan is the sparrow passer montanus. They have brown bodies with black patterns, small heads, and beaks. Behavior: sparrows often move in flocks, especially during the rice planting season in rural areas, where they can be seen in large numbers. Their main diet consists of insects and seeds. Nesting: they build their nests in human structures, trees, and even bamboo groves. They have a long history of coexisting with humans. Urban sparrows. Adaptability: urban sparrows have adapted to live in environments influenced by human activities. They build their nests in city parks, near train stations, and in gaps between buildings. Diet in urban areas. Sparrows often eat breadcrumbs and garbage provided by humans. Therefore, urban sparrows have a more diverse diet compared to their rural counterparts. Behavior: urban sparrows are accustomed to city noise in large crowds, and many of them are not very wary of humans. They can often be seen looking for food on train platforms or cafe terraces. Conclusion: there are still many more animals I'd like to introduce, but I'll save that for part 2. Please be sure to subscribe and leave your comments.